Hi everyone, once again welcome to the 90 days of powerful questions with me Ashwini Chube. This is day 31 and what is the tool or what is the question for today? As I always say, question empowers and an answer or a conclusion disempowers. Now imagine you are going to take a difficult choice or a difficult decision in your life and you're not understanding what to do. I usually tell people when you have to think too much and when you have to analyze too much, usually the answer is no. Because if the answer was yes, you would have immediately said a yes. But when you are analyzing and thinking, you are usually trying to manipulate your mind to agree and to fit in with everyone around you. So if you're finding it difficult to make a choice, you can simply ask a question: what information do I need? Very simple, very powerful question. Usually, when you cannot make the decision, there are two reasons. First is because you are wanting something, but others want something else from you, and you are trying to connect that both, and you are either trying to make them happy, or you're trying to make yourself happy, or you do not have enough information. Now, in the second category, in the first category, follow your heart. Don't try to please others. It's your life, and you don't want to make them accountable for your wrong decisions. I see a lot of people don't take their own decisions because they want to blame everyone. They want to keep telling others that, because of you I took this decision and now my life is in a mess. But have the courage. Don't be a chicken. When I say don't be a chicken, chicken is someone who will want to please others, do the way the other person wants them to do, and eventually they want them to blame the others for saying, listen, I listened to you and I took that decision, and now because of you I'm in this problem. Don't be that chicken. Don't be that stupid person. Instead, trust yourself more and do what you feel is right. Secondly, now if you're in the second category and you don't know what to do, you don't know what decision to take, it may be because you do not have enough information. So keep on asking this question: what information do I need? You keep asking this question till you keep getting more and more information. Or you could even say, whom do I need to connect to get more information? And after asking this question, don't look for the answer. Simply ask this question and make that choice. As I always say, choice creates awareness. So each time you make a choice, you see more possibilities. This question will simply help you to not getting distracted by the stress of confusion which is coming to you because of lack of information. So today's tool: what information do I need? Day 31 done. This is Ashwini Chube. To know more about me, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. That is from me. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and lots of ease, joy, and glory to all of you. Thank you.